Just in the twinkle of an eye, the fearful ugly beast and the name COVID-19 came racing from the east, challenging all men to a fight, for it dwells in all man-made structures and made men refugees in their own land. Nations who pride themselves to be the world power, to them believed to have the best structures and technology for the living and the unborn, unanimously agree that all is vanity. The custodian of the universe laugh at humanity. How ungrateful are these ones who are made in my own image and blessed. How testicating are their thought that they forget that though my grace is sufficient, I am also a consuming fire. In this bid to adjust on his throne, the world went into confusion, the great and the small, dancing to the rhythms and the beatings of the drums. Men are told that all things made to ease life could destroy them. Restriction placed on handshake, the easing of a lump in the glottis became dangerous. A warm embrace could lead to the end of life of a man. Gathering of men became a threat. Indeed, men became refugees in their own land. And masses laugh and mock the ambassador of lies, greeds and poverties, who parade themselves as leaders, who believe that the state of their health depends on the prediction of man-made machines and pills that can only be gotten by looting of public funds. They who squander the fund allocated for better amenities for their unborn generation at the expense of the sufferings of the poor came to the awakening that men can never be wiser than their chief. The gap between the rich and the poor grew thinner as they all fight the same battle, and sanity is being restored to the proud. The beast dances at the market square and jumps at the melodies of the good sounds. Would them who rather drink, smoke, and keep awake at night than enjoy the God-given rest by their creator. The promiscuous man and woman became so faithful. Men suspends all their addicts and seeks for mercy. Then came a loud crowd from the four cardinal points of the earth who will save humanity from the beast of the world. The world aid providers are getting tired and exhausted. The wisdom of men are now mocked. The earthly acquired riches are now worthless. All the routes that connect the nations of the world are now declared dangerous. Families suspect themselves. Friends gradually turn into strangers. The voices of the faithful are now getting weary. Finally, the creator of the universe has now declared his presence in. For he has established the history of the universe, for he is the I am, the God of gods, humanity last resort, creator of the universe, humbler of the proud, and the wisdom of the wise. O Lord, show us compassion. Humanity has realized how worthless and fragile they are without you. They have agreed that no one can contend with you. In repentance and humility, we ask that you heal us and heal our land. Dear Lord, please save us from this deadly virus, COVID-19.